to Roll for Makeup episode 4. This is our haul today. I'm going to get it set up and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with primer. This is the Becca Backlight Primer and the Basic Beauty Smooth and Blur Primer. The Becca one still smells fine. I know I was going to say extinct. That's not the right words. Discontinued. Oh my god, am I okay? I also want to do as little editing as possible because I'm tired of editing right now. I think that's one thing that kind of is not like a buzzkill, but kind of like a factor for doing YouTube is that you have to edit all the time. I don't know why I was expecting it to not be clear. I'm just doing this where I have big pores. Also where I have breakouts because that area is like bumpy. Obviously. I also forget like what to say or what I'm doing, so I take like long pauses to try and figure out what I was doing. So that's kind of like a downfall when I'm editing. I have to like clip those pieces together. And if you noticed, I just did it again where I have to I stop talking and then I have to edit the space between me talking and me not talking because it's just a long pause for no reason. And I don't want that to just be in my video. Anyway. We have 3 foundations. We have the Elle Camo CC Cream in 150C, the Tarte Hydro Flex in 20B, and then we also have the Hydromania from Urban Decay in 10 Ultra Fair. I always feel like this is gonna explode because there's so much pressure in the bottle. Like when you're squeezing it, there's so much pressure. I want as little as possible of that e.l.f. one because it's so drying. Oh, that's so dark. Or like different color ratios so it doesn't get chunky. Do foundations do like what lemon and milk do? I guess you're probably not actually mixing them. Anyway, today I'm gonna try and not forget all my cream products like I do really every time I go to film one of these, and I don't know why. This coverage seems interesting. I don't know what kind of smell this is, but it's not a great smell. It's so thick on my hand, but when I get to blend it out, it's so thin. 3 concealers as well. We have the Revolution Concealer Palette. This is under $5 and it's really good. The Elle Hydrating Concealer I don't like. Their shades are horrible. And the Tarte Creamy Shape Tape Concealer, so I'm gonna take this one since it has a bunch of different colors. This shade down here and kind of like spot conceal. I probably should have done this before my foundation, but you know, we're here now. I don't want to talk about my nail. I'm going to... I really need a new one of these. This stinks. Why is it so orange? That looks horrendous. We're gonna go over that with the Shape Tape Concealer. Highlight my face like normal, and then we're gonna reduce the orange. I really want this series to like take off and start getting views. I just don't know how to advertise it. Like I advertise it on my Facebook, on my Instagram, on my TikTok, like everywhere. No, none of it gets a lot of views, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I like this Shape Tape Concealer. Not nearly as drying as the old one. That was right. The old one, and I already had like dry under eyes and I was using it to be cool. Don't do that. Is not fun. Cream contour because we're not forgetting today. I think it was 2 of these, but honestly this is like the darkest freaking shade. I don't even know why I bought it. Then we have the Jordana. See what I mean? Also, can we talk about how horrible that concealer is? I already know it's on the roll for next Friday. I'm not happy about it. It like instantly creases under my eyes and it's so drying. Like it's not bad on the complexion, like on the face, but dear lord, under my eyes. Stay tuned for next week to see that. It is horrendous. And I don't know that I even did a 60-second review on it because it was so bad. I was like, I need to test this out some more. The answer's still no. God, I love this. This is amazing. We have blushers. Thank God they're the same color. We have the Wet n Wild Scooby-Doo. It's potty time. And then we have, what is this? This is the Elle Camo blush. Liquid blush. That's what I'm looking for. I didn't mean for it to cover that much, but that's okay. No one concentrated like up here. And like as I'm filming this, I literally just did the rolls. So I went ahead and did like next week's rolls too, just so I didn't have to be stressed out about it. And if you haven't noticed, this one is shorter because we only did I think there's like actually 16 categories, like with the freckles and then the different eyeliner. Let's do my brows real quick. Okay, so this is the Exo Beauty Shaping Gel. So it says pick up a little bit on the spoolie. Then on the back, I assume it means the inside, but who knows? It says work it into, oh shit, this is the broken spoolie. It says work it in and then sculpt the brows. I don't want to sound stupid, but like obviously you just brush your brows with it, but I've never had one tell me like you need to work the product into the brush and stuff like that. Obvious that I love everything about XO Beauty, but just that little detail can mean the world of a difference. I don't know why it looks like I have a scar through my brow. Man, is anybody else laughing at the fact that it's kind of sad, but that TikTok had all of the songs taken off? Like that sucks, but at the same time it's like y'all are gonna be greedy about it. I don't really know what's going on, but from what I've heard, they just don't want to come to terms. So I wonder if they ever will, you know what I mean? Or those songs are just lost forever. The Anastasia Beverly Hills in taupe. I just want to know what trauma this brow went through for it to have that line. Oh, this is the 3.5 from Benefit Gimme Brow. So I'm gonna take the One Size powder also. I'm a peach pie girly now. If One Size comes out with a peach one, I'll buy it, but the Huda Beauty, shocked that I liked it so much. I was like, wait, what? Thought, oh no, I picked the wrong one. I should have picked cherry. And then I got it and I was like, absolutely, I made the correct decision. I'm so glad I picked the peach one. Even though I have a lighter skin tone, it's like for medium skin tone. No, it's not. Because this one I feel like makes my under eyes look darker and I don't like that. The peach one does not do that to me. I'm gonna take the 120 powder, kind of highlight. Then with the super matte powder, I don't like this stuff. Lightly set everything else. To bronzer, we have the Sweet Tea bronzer from Too Faced. Absolutely love this bronzer. Super sad that you can't get it anymore. Instantly bronzy. Ooh, I'm also gonna do a giveaway of a Jeffree Star palette that I received, but I already have it, so I'm gonna do a giveaway with it. So obviously it's not a big giveaway, it's a little one. Our one and only blush is the White Peach, which is one of my favorite blushes. Probably one of my favorite blushes of all time. This is where highlighters are gonna be interesting because we have this powder one, we have Princess Cut, and we have two of the Icy Excursion. This one is a blush and highlight, like a one dab situation. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one's like really old, but whatever's in the lid, I'm just gonna take it. I don't really like glitter. And then we're gonna go in hard with the pink one because I love Princess Cut. Maybe a little too hard, but that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna do eyes next, and eyes are a situation because not only did we get one liquid eye that is lime green, we get two liquid eyes. We're gonna just, well, this one's from About Face and it actually does like blend out super nicely like an eyeshadow. Not bad. The Kaleido Astrolight, if I remember correctly, this stuff is a burnt. Okay, but why is this a look? I didn't think the eyeshadow was gonna eyeshadow today. And then we have a eyeliner, and I know I got this in the Ipsy bag. To this day, I still love that eyeliner. This is a freckle thing from the Dollar Hollow tree. Sorry, the Dollar Hollow and a Quarter tree. And make sure you go up under your eye. I just want it to be just a little bit darker. I think there might be two shades because this is light brown. If there's a dark brown, I'm getting it. Let's do mascara. I've decided that I'm not gonna do lashes with any of these looks. Not fair because I didn't roll it. So we got the Jeffree Star mascara in black and then the They're Real in jet black. I don't like the Jeffree Star one. The They're Real. Oh, I forgot about this one. I do have an affiliate link with Benefit. If y'all want to check that out, the thing that says all my links, it's in there. And all my other ones that I'm affiliated with are in there as well. And some of them have discount codes. So even if you don't use my affiliate link, use the discount code. Because why would you not? Like, I don't make anything from discount codes. Everything I make would be from the affiliate link. I never understood why people didn't want to use affiliate links. Like, I get if you don't like the person, but then like, why are you watching them? I forgot how much I like this mascara. Okay, the Jeffree Star mascara on the bottom. See if I don't like the Jeffree Star one. It does nothing for my lashes. The They're Real on the bottom makes it look so much better. Now lips. Lips are interesting, so we're gonna use the XO Beauty lip pencil in Raw. I could leave it just like this, but black lipstick, my happy color. Addams Family collection with Hip Dot, I think. And then this is the Elf the Movie, Angry Elfin Revolution, and then we have Elf Brain Freeze from the Cookies and Cream collection. The Kim Possible. Should we do the Kim Possible? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put the Angry Elf on the bottom. Stunning. I'm gonna put the Cookies and Dreams on the top. Okay, so this is the finished Kim Possible look, I guess is what we're gonna call it for Roll for Makeup episode 4. I'm actually living for it. Honestly, the eyes, the lips, I really like this look. She was too stunned to speak. Okay, so that's all for the makeup look, but now for the giveaway. This is the Banana Fetish palette from Jeffree Star. This came in as like the Valentine's Day, like mystery mystery gift, and I had literally just bought it. So I have an extra one that I want to give away to one of you guys. To enter, just leave a comment down below and tell me your favorite color. My favorite color is yellow. Next Friday I will choose the winner. I hope you guys like this video. I'm glad you stuck around to the end, and I will see you guys next week on Roll for Makeup. Bye!